How to go live on TikTok without showing your face. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a few methods on how you can go live on TikTok without having to show your face. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. So if you guys didn't know, the minimum requirement to go live on TikTok is at least 1,000 followers. And if you have 1,000 followers, then once you press this plus icon, you will have this live section unlocked. And from here, you can tap on go live to go live on your TikTok account. But TikTok does not have an option to turn off your camera. It will keep your camera turned on and it will show you your face. But if you don't want that, then what you can do is go ahead and cover up your camera. That's a good way to not show your face. And if you don't want to show your front camera, you will see this flip option right here. You can just tap on it to flip your camera and face it down so the screen will be black and you can just talk on your live stream. And another good method is if you completely don't want to show your face but only some part of it, then you can choose this effects option and select a filters that only shows a certain part of your face or cover up with a mask filter or something like that. You can even point your camera up to your ceiling so that no one else is able to see your face. So those are the few methods that you can do so that you don't show your face on your TikTok live. If you found this helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys next time.